Hello guys, so we have reached the Krakow Glauni, which is the central station of Krakow, and we have a train to Vienna from here. So we just need to find from where the train is. So we are going down now. So we took a night train from Krakow. You can see how the trains are. You have six seats in one compartment. The seats were not that comfortable for night journey. We recommend if you're traveling in night, go for a sleeper option or book a flight instead. We know it will add some additional cost, but you will have energy once you reach your destination.
So we have reached to Vienna and we have freshened up, and now we'll be looking for locker rooms. We will share the details related to the locker with you, and yes, we will start the day. ये साइन से आपको पता चल जाएगा कि लॉकर रूम कहाँ है. सिंस वी आर नॉट स्टेइंग इन वियना, द बेस्ट वे टू रोम अराउंड द सिटी इज़ जब आपके पास ज़्यादा बैग्स ना हो. लॉकर्स बहुत बड़े होते हैं. हमने मिड साइज़ में एक ट्रॉली, एक सैक बैग और एक बैकपैक बहुत आराम से डाल दिया था. हाँ, सिर्फ कैश यूज़ होगा, सो मेक श्योर करना कि आपके पास यूरो कॉइन्स हो.
So this is the main station where we have come, and we have exited now. We are going towards maybe McD because we are hungry. This time we have come with our friends, so hopefully we will have a good trip. So we took the day pass, and now we took 13 tram, and we came to one stop where we got to know that if we take tram number 1, so it's kind of hop on and hop off, so it will be included in our day ticket. So that's how it would.
So this is the last stop, and we are going reverse basically because we are coming from train station. So we have come to this first point, and you can see how it looks, and we'll be taking some good shots here.
Parliament building of Vienna, and you can see how beautiful it is. And I just zoom in to show you how it is, how the paintings have been carved inside. I hope you guys can see it. So this is the Vienna castle. You can see how beautiful it is, and this is the entrance.
There is a huge garden, and that's the gate. It's too hot today, so you get free water in Vienna. It's like you don't have to buy water. You can basically fill your bottles. Make sure you buy one or you bring it from your home, and you just keep on refilling. At some tourist spots you might feel that there is a queue to fill your bottle, but that's okay. Abhijeet is taking some real shots here.
This is us.
Yes,
So far so good. We are enjoying. It's too hot, but
it's too
yes,
hot and we have not slept
properly, I
properly
would say,
in the
because it
train.
was train journey.
So yeah, but everything's good.
So this is the Sisi Museum, and you see this dome. This is so beautiful. So the next stop is St. Stephen's Cathedral. यहाँ पे एंट्री फ्री है. अगर आप ऊपर जाके व्यूइंग टावर से व्यू लेना चाहते हो तो यहाँ पे दो टावर्स है, नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. यू विल हैव टू बाई अ टिकट फॉर द सेम.
You can also light a candle for €1 here.
So now we are going towards the souvenir shop. You can see how beautiful it is. They are going ahead of me, they are running away. So we have come here for souvenir shop. So this is one of the biggest stores of souvenirs, and you can see how big it is, and there's one more floor above this, so it's quite big. And we are trying to find a fridge magnet for us, because whenever we go, wherever we go, we buy a fridge magnet just for our memory that we have visited this country. And this is very beautiful. And here is Kajal. So these are the TTs who are checking the tickets.
So basically, we'll advise you to buy a ticket every time you travel,
Yes.
because you won't know who are the ticket checkers, and if you got caught, you will be fined heavily. So
Yes.
better to take a ticket. And one thing, so basically, if you come to Austria, especially Vienna, you get a 1 day pass for 8.50 euros, and that is valid for 24 hours. For example, if you buy at 8 a.m. today, it will be valid till 8 a.m. tomorrow.
Exactly.
But you have an option, other option, which will save you bucks, which is 5.90, and in that it is only valid for that day, which means till 12 o'clock. So we are traveling to Innsbruck today, and we didn't require a 24-hour ticket, so we bought the €5 one, and it seems that it was a good deal, right?
Yes.
Yes. Also, just to let you know, you won't get the 5.90 ticket on the ticket
Vending
counter.
machine.
You can only get those via application. We'll provide a link in the description box.
So we have come to the very famous hotel of Vienna, which is Hotel Sache, and this is mainly famous for its cakes, and we are gonna try that today, and we'll show you how it is, and we'll give our review about how the cake was.
You can see the line.
Yeah, and you can see the queue just to get inside the shop. And here also there are counters, and there is a small ice cream shop which you can see.
So you have an option. So basically, if you want to sit out, you can go and sit. There's no queue for it. But if you want to sit inside, you have to wait and be in the line. And then once you have your number, you can go up and sit. So we are waiting for Ame and Mayuri to come. And once they'll be here, we'll be going and standing into the line. So yes, super tired, but liking the place so far. There are good places that we saw, right? And very good pictures that we took. And also the food is very good here. And we've got some amazing Indian restaurant recommendation for Vienna. Stay tuned, in the end of the video we will share it with you.
You can see there are many shops in this underwater village, and they have made it very nicely. This looks so amazing. There is a small coffee bar and drinks bar. There are a lot of souvenir shops, and the vibe is great. There is a very great place where you can click pictures, and that is a very good thing. We got some pictures clicked, and you can obviously have some get some souvenirs from here.
We wanted to end our day with a lot of fun, so we went straight away to the Prater Park. Let's see which roller coasters we go.
The price for the ride was €5 per person, so it was quite good, and we had fun. The, the view was amazing. We had fun. Kajal, do you want to go to the dashing car? So we came to this park, and it's quite good. We took that ride as well, and it was amazing. So it's time to leave now. We have a train to Innsbruck, so we are heading towards the railway station. We'll have some food in between and then we'll leave. So we are waiting at Vienna station now.
I don't know how camera would be justifying this, but do you see it? So here we are at the station and we just came out and this is the view. I mean, just look at this.
This is the reflection of Austrian Alps.